What's up, everybody? So I'm gonna do a small barbell workout that I've been doing for a while. Basically gonna be alternating between overhead press with a closer grip and my rolling rows, but I'm gonna be doing banded. So the micro band on the overhead press, not going really heavy, but still focusing on negative for me and my goals, stabilization. Then the rolling row is basically to light up mid-back and stabilizers. It's gonna really get the lats. A lot of people may have not seen this, but I've actually added bands going forward, and I'm gonna show you, just do a set of this. So I give myself between 2 and 5 minutes between each exercise. I kind of do them in a superset. So when I come back to the press, because that's the one that's the most taxing, this one's just a little bit more metabolically active, but it still ends up being between 2 and 5 minutes each time I hit these exercises. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the press first. Usually take about 30 seconds or so before I get into this. Now, you're gonna notice it's in a very wide grip. And what I'm gonna do is gonna be pulling in at the same time, dropping the elbows down. They're both ways. So it's a short motion forward for about 10 reps, and then in reverse. Once again, your shoulder's a ball and socket joint. I don't like doing everything that treats it as a hinge. So, it's about time. Take that wide grip here. Now just a little bit extra weight, resistance for the bands, and they're pulling me forward, so I'm activating lats a little bit more, and I do this rowing motion. Picture on a boat. That's 10. Reverse. So there is that motion in the shoulder, almost of a wave, okay? And then in a reverse wave. It's very hard to understand until you do it. And I'll tag another video that I have, but about 5 sets of these. These are 10 one way, 10 the other, and you can really feel it. And it's 5 presses. And I'll do 5 rounds of this, and then that's in the morning. I might do something later, because this doesn't take very long.